Okay guys, next our class is in thermodynamics entropy concept. Entropy. So entropy, before going to entropy, once remind isothermal process and adiabatic process. So in isothermal process, temperature change remaining all are temperature is constant, remaining all are changes. Temperature is constant, remaining all terms, pressure, volume, remaining terms all are changes in isothermal process. But in adiabatic process, temperature also changes, but some physical quantities varying in adiabatic process. That is what? That is the entropy. So what is entropy means? Entropy is the transformation concept. Entropy is the transformation concept. Okay. So entropy is defined as thermal property of a body which is constant during an adiabatic process is called entropy. Thermal property of a body is constant in adiabatic process. That is called entropy. Understood? So thermal property constant means it is called as entropy. Entropy is the transformation concept in thermodynamics. Heat transformation, that means. Okay, so thermal property of a body which constant during the adiabatic process is called entropy. So entropy we are calculating in Carnot curve. Okay, so this is Carnot curve. Consider now this ABCD. So this is volume taken x-axis. Already I told in before classes. Pressure is in y-axis. So now this three are isothermal curves. These two are the adiabatic curves. So this is the Carnot curve. In this Carnot curve ABCD, we will find the entropy here. So here BD here in Carnot theory states that Q1 by Q2 is equal to T1 by T2. Means change in heat is equal to temperatures. So as per that condition, we are taking T1 by Q2 is equal to T1 by T2. Here T1. So compare these two separated terms. Ones all are one side, twos all are another side. That means both are cross interchange means T1 here and T2 here. Okay, so another way is this is send here. This is next to this one is sent here. Then Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2. So Q1 by Q2 is equal to T1 by T2. Next, this is the constant in BD. Okay, BD and then so BD in this BD and next this is the expandable adiabatic process. Next, take compressing adiabatic process. So in this again same take here temperatures T2, T3. Okay, so compare to this one again same as like this Q2 by Q3. That means another way is not this, taking this. Okay, so because he has mentioned now T2, T3. So this part changes T2 to T3. So heat also changes Q1 to Q3. So So as per this result, taking Q2 by Q3 is equal to T2 by T3. So T2 by Q3 now again cross once taking one side, two here 2 to 3 no, so that's why 3s are considered one side and 2s are considered another side. Q2 by T2 is equal to Q3 by T3. So here this is equation Q2 by Q2 is equal to Q2 by Q3. This is the considered as the equation 2. This is the equation number 1. From 1 and 2 we will conclude that from 1 and 2 we will conclude that Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2 is equal to Q2 by T3 and so on. Okay, and so on. So this is called entropy. Entropy indicated with the letter yes. Okay, entropy indicated with the letter yes. So S is equal to entropy is defined as already told definition. Yeah, in mathematically S is equal to Q by T is constant. Q by T is constant. So understood. Next, physical significance of entropy. Physical significance of entropy. Next concept is physical significance of entropy. Change in entropy is equal to heat energy by change in entropy is equal to temperature no. So change in entropy is equal to heat energy by temperature. Change in entropy is taken as delta S. Heat energy means heat energy as heat energy. So temperature downside no, cell distance this side, that means delta S into temperature. Here multiplying temperature delta S into temperature is equal to heat energy. So delta S, okay, and next delta S means change in entropy into temperature. Temperature is equal to heat energy. Heat is energy in moving. Heat means moving particle no? So that means energy in mgh, energy definition. So mgh. So here G is constant no? So I will explain here. So there is change in entropy equal into temperature. Temperature is equal to mgh. So here change in entropy value. G is constant, universal constant. That value should be equal to the 9.8 meter per second square. Here G is constant. Constant into is equal to, we are replaced with the proportionality symbol. Change in entropy into temperature proportional to the G and equal to replace with proportional symbol M and H here. Okay, so here change in entropy temperature no. So here M is the H means heat, height, temperature means height change means this one, and temperature compared to the height, then m is compared to the change in temperature. That is the mass is the inertia, measure of inertia. No, mass is measure of inertia. So that means compared to the term, this term change in entropy is as like a mass. So change in entropy concept in thermodynamics is like a heat or temperature, heat energy. So that means inertia of temperature. Change in entropy is nothing but inertia of temperature. Understood? So next concept is entropy. Next concept is change in entropy, reversible process. Change in next concept is entropy changes. Entropy changes in reversible process. Reversible process and entropy changes in irreversible process. Irreversible, this one take reversible process. Second one is, third one is entropy change in disorder. Entropy change in universe. So these four are the entropy changing process. These four are the entropy changing process. So entropy changes. First one is entropy changes in reversible process. So entropy changes in reversible process is considered as now consider the graph. So first one we are seeing consider graph again Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle. This is the volume and this is the pressure. A, B points, A, B, C, B point. Here Q1 by T is Q by T. Q by T is nothing but entropy. Q by T is equal to constant is nothing but entropy. So this is our concept. Here change in entropy means here temperature in this process. In isothermal process, temperature T1, temperature T2, here temperature T2 now. So here two temperatures and two heat energies. So change in entropy delta S is equal to U1 by T1, nothing but T1 by T1 minus Q2 by T2. So this is the change in entropy. So change in entropy, reversible reaction. So reversible reaction. In this Q1 by T, Q2 by T, both are same in, but magnitude is different. No? So same means both are equal. So Q1 by T1. Already we know what is that. So Q1 by T1, Q1 by Q2 is equal to the T2 by T1. Sorry, T1 by T2. So as this concept, take here. So Q1 by, compare to this, Q1 by T1 is equal to the Q2 by T2. So Q1 by T1 is nothing but both are equal, no? So these values both are equal. Both are equal means, so both are equal and minus will be there. That means delta S will be both equal means delta S value will be 0. Delta S value will be 0. So entropy changes in reversible process. Entropy changes in reversible process is delta S value. That means entropy value should be equal to 0. That means no change in reversible process. Next concept, irreversible process. Irreversible process. Irreversible process. Entropy changes. How to change? Second concept. The first concept of changing entropy change in reversible process. That changed value of entropy must be equal to 0. This value is 0. First one completed. Second concept. Now taking second one. Now take second one. Second one means, so change in entropy in irreversible process. Irreversible process means, so already Carnot theorem told means what is that? Reversible engine efficiency is more, no? So efficiency of reversible engine is more. That take that condition compared to the irreversible engine efficiency. So we have to observe this function means take efficiency of the reversible engine and efficiency is more compared to the irreversible engine efficiency. So take this one. Next efficiency formula what? Efficiency is equal to 1 minus Q1 by Q2, otherwise Q2 by Q1. Here next one is more. Second one also same. Q1 minus Q2 by T. So, but both are same terms efficiency of. So that's why this value, this formula changes. I will see like this: 1 minus T2 by T1. So this is the efficiency of the reversible engine. So here 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is proportional to 1 minus T2 by T1. Here 1 get cancelled. So next to minus terms, minus of Q2 by Q1 rather than minus of T2 by T1. So in both sides T1 is there, no? So the minus common means symbols changed. So minus common means less than, greater than changes to less than, greater than will be changes. So Q2 by Q1 is greater by T2 by T1. So that means this values next this values taking is one order. Entropy order means Q1 by Q2 by Q2 by T2, Q2 by, so this one is like this, means so both are interchangeable. So Q2 by replace symbol Q2 by T2 greater Q1 by T1. That means so both are taking this step taking like this means Q1 by T1 minus Q2 by T2 is greater than this term. Total will be changes means so this is the our concept Q1 by Q2. So less than Q1 by Q2. Correct only no? No, I think this is this take this side Q2 by T2 minus 1 by T1 is 0. So now in this concept Q2 by Q1 is equal to Q2 by Q1 is positive. More than 0 means positive value. Positive value means increasing. So in change in entropy in irreversible process is increasing. So increasing symbol arrow mark upside. So this is the change in entropy in irreversible process. Next concept is change in entropy in disorder. So next one is change in entropy in disorder. So disorder means what is disorder? What is disorder? Disorder means variables, gas. Consider gases or solids or liquids. So in gaseous state, particles are more in disorder compared to the liquids. Compared to liquids. So compared to solids, liquids in disorder means in solids particles or atoms arranged in one proper order. So in gaseous state more disorder. In disorder means so consider two tanks. First one molecules or gases, particles filled with pressure P1, volume V1. So one node will be here means one closed node. Next these are our gases, particles. So after removing of this one, if gases are disorder they random order moving in this side, that means as like this gases are moving in orderless or in disorder. So gases are moving in disorder means entropy will increase. Why? Because gases are moving outside with moving some displacement, no? So that's why that's inertia is changes. So inertia changes means entropy also changes. Understood? Entropy also changes. Thermal inertia changes, then it is entropy also changes. Okay, so entropy change in universe. So entropy change in universe means either. So this is two concepts. First one is the expansion state. Second one expansion of one of thing, and the second one is the conduction conduction things. So to gases, not particles, are conducted by the another. So it is also in conduction state also conduction is increased means entropy also increases. Okay, expansion of gases increase means entropy increases. Entropy increases, expansion, either expansion or conduction. Either expansion or conduction. Expansion in disorder mixture. So next step. So in universe, conduction is the conduction process examples are frictional heat producing in a frictional and in universe all things are the conduction state. Entropy will be increases. Entropy will be increases. So yeah. So entropy will be increases. So next in universe all are entropy, all processor entropy increases, but available energy will be decreases. In universe available energy in reversible process is going on means entropy available energy reducing in universe. So in adiabatic process you guys here available energy is nothing but initially energy Q1 and finally energy Q2, final energy. So available Q1 minus Q2. So available energy will reduce in entropy in reversible process. So how to prove means, so now in this Q2 Q1 cancel means common means 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So now this one is the considered as first one, and this one replace like that means Q1 into 1 minus T2 by T1. So after conversion of energy, temperature is T2. Before conversion of energy, temperature is T1. Means T2 is less, no, so low. So that's why T2 is taking as T0. T2 is taking as T0. T2 is taking as T0. In this process, T2 is taking as T0. Now, after available energy is defined is Q1 into 1 minus T0 by T2. Before available energy is Q1 into T1 minus T0 by T1. So after transmission of energy, before transmission of energy. So how much energy will be less means so minus of, so first one minus, second one means second one minus here. So less energy, available energy is equal to the Q1 is common both so 1 minus T0 by T1 minus 1 minus of T naught by T2. So after simplification of these values, Q1 is common now. So Q1 minus 1 minus T by T naught T1 minus plus. So minus 1 plus T naught by T2. So here plus 1 minus will get cancelled. Q1 by T naught. This one all means T naught by T2 minus T naught by T1 is equal to the Q1 into here T1 is common no, so both are changes no, so that's why this is the changes. So now small adjustment, T naught is common, Q1 is multiplied with the both terms means Q naught. Q1 is the energy of Q taking as a Q. So Q. So Q. So Q. T naught is common. T naught into common 1 by T2 minus 1 by T1. So here multiply with Q. So T naught into Q by T2 Q by T1. That means that is equal to T naught into, this is the change in entropy, delta S. So T naught change in entropy changes T naught. T naught means low value, means change in entropy means low value of temperature. That means value will be energy value will be decreases, either increasing of entropy means here increasing of entropy means energy will be less. Temperature entropy is increasing, entropy is less. This is the basic information in this both entropy changes in this order means increases. So increases, not changes, increases, and available energy decreases. Change in entropy universe, all are the entropy will be increases no. So entropy increases. So these are the 4 processes of entropy changes. Understood? Hope you guys all are understood my classes. So thank you.